My name is Brett Womack, and I plan on teaching 3rd and 4th graders. The purpose of this assignment is inserting pictures and text into a PowerPoint. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit text boxes within PowerPoint. I'm also going to teach you how to insert a picture into a PowerPoint. The assignment today is to complete the animal project. You will need to select an animal in which you will share information on throughout this PowerPoint. The slides have already been pre-generated for you to edit. In the future, we will do a lesson on generating an entire PowerPoint project from scratch. The PowerPoint should already be pulled up on your computer. If it is not, please go to the PowerPoint, File, Open Animal Project. To edit a text box within PowerPoint, you will need to click within the text box to activate the text box in order to edit. You will also have the option to change the font size, font, and alignment. These options are located within the toolbar above. Next, you're going to go to the web and find a picture of your favorite animal. In this case, we're going to choose an elephant. You will want to right-click and save the picture as Save As to your desktop, like I am doing right now. You'll save it as elephant picture. Hit save. Next, you will hit the X button at the top right to exit out of that screen and back to your PowerPoint. Next, we will insert a picture. Double-click within the PowerPoint for your image box. You will then right-click, select Change Picture from a file. You will find your elephant picture in the desktop where you saved it and hit Insert. The picture is now there for you to view. You can also take the outside and top buttons to make the picture bigger or smaller, to whichever one you prefer.